Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, hi, my name is Lindsay. I do hair, nails, makeup videos, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. All those who are new to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button because you'll be missing out on great content I have for you guys coming up soon. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. But in today's video, I'm gonna be doing how do I care for my nails when I don't have acrylic or polygel. So I'm just gonna show you my nail care. This was requested by a subscriber who's also my cousin. Her name is Gemma. She also has a YouTube channel. I'll put it down in the description below, or I'll put it on the screen. So let's get started. First off, we're starting by spanning down on the nail, and my nails usually grow very long, but since I've been doing different tricks for you guys on YouTube and showing you guys how to do your nails and stuff, they're short now, but maybe someday I'll show you guys how long my nails actually grow when I have acrylic or polygel. So next, I'm putting my fingers in a bowl of warm water so my cuticles could get a little bit softer and manageable, but it's like doing a prep to do a set, but it's not prepping, it's a nail care, so you have to trim down on the cuticles, like the dead skin, and also file out the rough grown out edges.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking.
Now I'm just cutting out all the dead skin. I don't recommend that you do this like that on yourself. If you have a cuticle scissors, go ahead and use that, but if you know what you're doing and you're using a cuticle cutter, be careful because you don't want to hurt yourself. Then I'm going to take a nail file and a buffer. So first I'm going to file down on the cuticle area just to get rid of the rest of the cuticle that I missed, and then I'm going to take my buffer and buff out the nails. Guys, this is super important because you need to take out all the dead skin and oils that are on your nails that are unhealthy and so on.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. La 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 la, oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly.
Guys, I love doing my own nails because it's very therapeutic and I just enjoy doing it. It helps me focus on what I'm doing and gives me a sense of relaxation.
All this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now.
Then I'm gonna take cuticle oil, or if you don't have cuticle oil, you could use any coconut oil or castor oil or any type of nut oil you have, and take that and put it on your fingers and massage your fingers, maybe each finger 5 seconds, so you could get all that moisture in there.
Just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out.
Now I'm gonna take my garlic super growth nail polish and just gonna put one coat of that on my nails, and yeah, I'm done, guys. This is the last step in my nail care. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, because I did as well. Thank you, Gemma, for requesting this. I never even thought of doing this, but thank you.
I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out.
I will see you guys in another video. Love you guys. XOXO. Mwah. Peace.